Python program while loop. Find the output a comma b equal to 10 comma 5 while a greater than 1 colon print a plus 5 comma b into a equal to a minus 2. It is the question to find the output. Let us check the output. Now this is the output 15, 50, 13, 40, 11, 30, 9, 20, 7, 10. Now come to the explanation part. Initial value of a is 10, initial value of b is 5. Condition while a greater than 1. A value of a is 10, 10 greater than 1. So it will print a plus 5, that is 10 plus 5 15, and b into a, that is 10 into 5 50. Then value of a is a minus 2. So this is your 10 minus 2 8. Value of a is 8. Value of b is 5. This is your, again it will check whether a greater than 1. Yes, 8 greater than 1. So it will print a plus 5, that is 8 plus 5 13, and b into a 8 into 5 40. Similarly, last one, this is your 4 minus 2. A equal to a minus 2, that is 4 minus 2 2. And value of b is 5. It will print a plus 5, that is 2 plus 5 7, and a into b 10. Then value of a is a minus 2, that is 2 minus 2 0. Now value of a is not greater than 1, so it will stop the loop. The output will be this one. This is the output, right part. Now come to the for loop. This is given s comma p equal to 0 comma 1 for a in range 1 22 5, s equal to s plus a, p equal to p into a, print s plus p. Find the output. For this one, s comma p equal to 0 comma 1, that means value of s is 0, value of p equal to 1. For a in range 1, initial value of a is 1, stop value is 22, and step value is 5. That means it will increase plus 5 every time. Initial value is your 1, then plus 5 6, then 5 plus 5 11, then plus 5 16, plus 5 21, then it will stop. Each time you have to find s equal to s plus a, and p equal to p into a, then add s and p, print this one. Now come to the output and explanation. This is save and run. Now output is 2 13 84 1090 222 31. This is the output. Now come to the explanation part. Now see, this is value of s is 0, p is 1. Value of s is 0, p is 1. Value of a, initial value is 1. Value of a, initial value of a is 1. Now s equal to s plus a. S is 0 plus a means plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. S value of s is 1. Now p equal to p into a. Value of p is 1 into a means 1. 1 into 1 equal to 1. Now print s plus p. 1 plus 1 2. It will print 2. Output is, first output is 2. Next. Then again value of a is 1 plus 5, that is 6. S equal to s plus a. S is 1 plus 6 7. P equal to p into a. P is 1 into 6 is 6. Now print s plus p. S is 7 plus 6 13. Next, value of a is plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then s equal to s plus a, that is 11 plus 7 18. P equal to p into a, that is 6 into 11 66. Then s plus a 84. Then value of a is 11 plus 6. This is your 11 plus 5, that is 16. S equal to s plus a 34. P equal to p into a, that is equal to this one. Then s plus p equal to this one. Then again 16 plus 5 is 21. S equal to s plus a. P equal to p into a. Then final output is this one. So your output is 2 13 84 1090 222 31. Another example, find the output, write your answer in the comment section. This is s is 2, p equal to 1, range 2 to 50, step value 4. You have to print s minus p. Write your answer in the comment section.